Yep, I'm back, and more dead inside than ever before. So, a few weeks before quarantine happened, I built a PC spec list, and it was going to cost around $700. The case itself was going to be $200, so I was going to call it the Elegant Budget Gaming PC or something like that. It was going to be the perfect mix of mid-tier components that was going to be able to run any game. It was even going to be VR ready. It was going to be the most beautiful budget build you'd ever see. I had to cancel that. Not only that, but I had to change my entire spec sheet. It's not the same PC I'm planning on building this summer, but I do want you guys to remember the $700 price tag that I've mentioned. Okay? Good. I am sorry that I've been gone. The 23rd, I got unbelievably fucking sick and had to put my cat down, so I was both physically and emotionally suffering. But I'm back, and I'm back on the grind at 10K. We are well on our way, by the way, and I've actually created this. I now have goals for each month. So next month, if we could hit 3,200, that would be, well, on schedule. Enough of me talking about my shitty channel. Let's just do this. So manufacturers haven't been working at all. Razer isn't manufacturing products. HyperX isn't manufacturing products. Apple isn't. They probably are manufacturing products, but here is why that creates an enormous issue for us. Manufacturers manufacture all the new shit, but they also manufacture old versions of the old shit and old versions of the new shit. Like, you can go on eBay and search for older parts, like go try to find an RX 560, and you can probably find one directly from AMD in a used or refurbished condition. It's not that difficult. Here's the issue though. Now that manufacturers aren't making any new shit, people aren't buying any new shit from the manufacturers, any of the fresh shit. So all we have on the market is all of the used shit that's left and all of the new shit. Well, okay. Now everyone's still looking for 144Hz monitors and PC parts and phones. So what happens to the used market when the manufacturers aren't making any new products and they aren't making any of the old products and they aren't manufacturing zilch? Yeah, you can guess. The used market dries up, and then the used market's gone, and all we have is the new shit that's overly expensive that no one wants to pay for. A lot of it's been marked up hundreds, if not thousands of %. So the $700 PC build that I made about 2 months ago is now $940 fucking dollars. Keep in mind, I use the exact same spec sheet. Ryzen 5 3600, RX 5500 XT 8GB, 16GB of Corsair Vengeance 3200 MHz RAM, an MSI motherboard, the B450 Tomahawk Max motherboard, a 500-watt power supply, the Snowblind Element S case, which was the $200 case I was talking about, and the SSD I have in my laptop paired with a few other hard drives. That is $940. If you gave me $1,000 2 months ago, I could have built something with a ray tracing graphics card. The same thing happened when I tried to buy a 144Hz monitor. I saved up $110, enough for a used 144Hz monitor, again, 2 months ago before quarantine started. Guess how much they are now? All the used ones are marked up to new prices. 150, 160, 180, 200. Back then, you used to be able to search 144Hz monitor on eBay, and guess what would come up? Monitors that were $130, 120, 140. And we all took it for granted because now everything's marked the fuck up. You can't even get used shit for used prices anymore. Fuck me, I used to be able to find my GPU, the 5500 XT from AMD that I was talking about, for like $160. I can't find it for under $200 now. Add on top of that, the fact that no one's making anything, so the case that I wanted, I can't buy. The only way I can get the case is if I custom order an entire PC with it so that they build the case and send me the case with the PC. But I don't want Iberpower to build me a PC because they're gonna mark it up by like 30 fucking %. And they're already getting marked up by 30% because of the fucking quarantine. Could someone shoot me in the fucking dick? I want to be shot in the dick now. So basically, the entire premise of this video, don't buy anything right now. A few people came to me trying to ask me for either a pre-built PC or good parts for a PC. And of course, I try to help out as best I can. But my fair warning to everyone, save up as much as you can. I'd suggest saving anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 for a new PC, or a setup, or a monitor, whatever the fuck you want. Just save all your money. Hoard that shit. When the fucking quarantine's over and prices plummet because shipping will be cheaper and part manufacturing will be cheaper, parts will actually be manufactured again. Once everything goes back to normal, prices will plummet and you'll be able to buy yourself the best of whatever the fuck you want. I almost guarantee it. As you guys saw, my $700 PC build has now turned into a $1,000 PC build. It's not worth the money. In fact, I probably could have gotten those parts before quarantine for about $600 if I really looked hard enough. I'm telling you guys, do not buy anything right now. Don't even buy a fucking microphone. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys took a little bit of information away from this video. If you did enjoy, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. We are well on our way to 10K before the end of the year. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.